So, good evening. This is VDWF TV here in China on our delegation trip 2016. We are meeting right now with our delegation HRS Hot Runner Systems and Inglass. This is Mr. Carloni.
Thank you.
And your origin is Italy, and
Yes.
how many years are you here right now in China?
I spent in China more than 20 years. This is one of my reason why I work for this company, because it's very important also to know China, Chinese people and Chinese market to work here.
So, for your work, you have much experience in leading companies and leading employees.
Yes, I was working before in Italian machine tool manufacturing in China, and then in another company also in the plastic industry. And since 2009, I work as general manager of Inglass HRS.
What about the growth in China? You are long years over here, and it's growing every year around 10%. What are you doing to hold the employees, the experienced employees?
Yes, the market has grown tremendously, and it's not so easy to find a good employee. And in order to keep them in our company, we have our own dormitory, the canteen. We try to provide good facilities to them, and we also provide some opportunity for growth in the company. Of course, there is also a big request in China of salary increase. So, to be frank, China is not anymore a low-cost country. So, to find some expert people working on such sophisticated machine tools, the salary are going quite high.
And what do you do to hold them, the experienced guys? You have to hold them that they don't change and they don't go to the other companies.
First of all, you provide a nice environment. As you see, our company has a good, clean, safe, and good working atmosphere. We have, as I said, good also living facilities. And then also you give us some opportunity of career. If you are good in the production, then you can also go to service, you can go to sales. We like to switch people inside the company. In China, it's difficult to keep people, and it's difficult also to keep them in one position for more than 3 years. They need to change because the society goes fast.
And the young, upcoming people, it's difficult to reach them, to get them into your company. Do you train them by yourselves?
We have some cooperation with some local university. They send us the people before they graduate to have some kind of working and studying at the same time. When they graduate, we choose the best and to stay here to work with us. And then we do the training inside. Many of them we also send to other factories, to Italy, to training for some months, also to understand how we work in other companies. And for the good one also, we like to give them an opportunity to work in other branches, like in Japan, Thailand, and so on, to let them increase their experience.
What do you think about the future? What is your vision about the future in the case of the employees?
Well, in China now for the next 3-4 years, we still have continuous growth. So also every year we need to find new people, and we are having good relation with the school with that. In fact, you do not find, for instance, the people coming from the school, they do not have experience in this kind of high sophisticated machine. So the only thing to keep them is to train them and also to also the salary is quite important to give them a good salary.
So thank you very much, Mr. Carloni.
Welcome. Thank you very much to you.
This is VDWF TV in China 2016. Thank you.
Thank you.